Hey you! Yeah, you! Do you use fertilizers on your lawn? Did you know that fertilizers can be dangerous to local water bodies if applied improperly? If stormwater runoff carries fertilizers into a storm drain going into Casco Bay, it can cause algae to bloom. Why is this bad? This is bad because the algae will bloom uncontrollably. When the algae die, it sinks to the bottom and can smother fish eggs, and the bacteria keep hogging oxygen from fish, lobsters, and crabs. This is called eutrophication. It may seem hopeless, but you can help. Use natural fertilizers. Avoid applying fertilizers before rain. Use the right amount, and think, is it necessary? Keep in mind, only half of the problem is fertilizers. The other half is stormwater runoff. Slow it down, soak it in, and keep it on your property. Be Paul Revere. Alert your friends. Alert your family. Eutrophication is coming. I want you to protect Casco Bay from eutrophication. Credit to these sources.
Created using Powtoon.